Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful piece, this beautiful stitch. Just on the previous tutorial, I showed you how to crochet this, starting from the corner and then doing increases. And I was mentioning I would love to crochet this flat. And ta-da, I did. While I was crocheting that, I finally figured it out. So what you need to do is you need to chain multiple of 4. At the beginning, I didn't know, so I just chained as long as I needed. And it went perfectly. So what I did is I used the second row of this method with the chain, and I figured it out. So we started with the chain, single crochet, 4 chains, single crochet, 4 chain, and skipping 4 chains in between, and doing the doing the single crochet on the 5th. And I think it turned out pretty good. So this is going to go for donations. I'm going to finish it up. Again, it's going to be a whip for me because I have other projects to work on. But I just wanted to share you this beautiful stitch, how it's done, and I think it looks just fantastic. It's very easy and it goes very fast. See, in just less than half an hour, I crocheted this all, maybe less than half an hour. Yeah, definitely. So it just grows fast while you're crocheting. It's enjoyable and it's mindless. It's very easy. Repeat of 2 rows, so I would highly recommend this stitch. What you can make is you can make baby blankets. You can, well, this is going to be a scarf. You can make sweaters, cardigans. Oh, this is endless. And I really like this stitch. It's so easy and it looks fantastic. And yeah, so let's get started on how to crochet this beautiful stitch. Have fun! Okay, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this yarn, Red Heart stripes, I believe. And this is left over from a scarf. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain. And I'm going to do this with you, this stitch, on a flat. So I did the tutorial yesterday, and while I was working on it, I think I figured it out. So these chains that we did on the previous tutorial, that is going to be our foundation. So first, I'm going to chain. I'm using 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. Oh, nice, it focused nicely. Okay, and so I am going to chain. I need to remove the shawl. Yeah, it's focusing on the camera. So I'm going to chain, I don't know, the length that I need for the scarf. It's about 6 inches wide. That's what we aim for when we're, I know this is going to go for donation. And so I am chaining. And for the single crochet, we do 7 chains. I think this is enough. Let me just do a couple of more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is enough. Okay, so I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And right here, I am going to make a single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will jump 4. So I believe it's going to be multiple of 4 because there's 4 chains. And while I'm doing the 4 chains, I'm going to skip 4. And on the 5th, I'm going to make a single crochet. This is the way I figure this out. Oh, this yarn split. It's not good. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, there was 4 chain. What am I doing? Okay, and then I'm going to skip 4. On the 5th, I'm going to make a single crochet. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to skip 4. On the 5th, I'm going to make a single crochet. So I'm doing this stitch with you. I was trying to figure out how to make it flat. 3, 4, because I really like the stitch. It turned out fantastic and it looks so good. You know, you always try to figure out different ways to crochet or knit a stitch, and this is one of them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 4. On the 5th, make a single crochet. Here we go. I should have used a bigger crochet hook when I'm doing the chain, and I think I did it tight because I always do everything tight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fortunately, 2, 4, 5th, and make a single crochet. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The thing is, we don't do increases on the edges, so we have to be careful with that, and we'll figure that out. 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be a test crochet with you, and I get that question a lot. People get frustrated because I am doing the tutorial. I am attempting the test with you, and I usually don't say that, but most of my tutorials end up like that. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and on the 5th, 2, 4, 5th, make a single crochet. So this is one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this would be the last. 2, 4, perfect. I didn't even count how many stitches, chains I did. Okay, so now we're going to, unfortunately, we have to turn around. Well, yeah, we have to turn around because we're not doing it around. You could even do this around. Just think about it. Yeah, anything can be done. You just need to figure it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to turn around. I don't want to do the increase. That's my main thing. If I make one here, then it's going to be an increase. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to jump right here on top and then make a double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, and hopefully this will work. 2 chain, double crochet. Yeah, I think it's going to work. Okay, no chains when we go to the next one. So we're making clusters on top of the single crochet, which is 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain. So we're making 3 double crochets, and there is 2 chains between. That's all we're making. Going to the next one, and the color has changed, so that's kind of nice and neat to see. 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet. I haven't seen this stitch. There are millions of stitches out there, and I usually pick the prettiest, easiest way. Elegant, Victoria looking stitches, and share it with you. Okay, here we go. 2 chain, double crochet. Super easy. And I think I figured it out. Hopefully this will work. Okay. 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain. Okay, and we're gonna do the last one here. Double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet. I have to finish it, so what I'll do is I'll just come here and I'll make a double crochet. So there were 6 chains. So right on the third, try to grab the 2 loops here and then make a double crochet. And then the next row is going to be single crochets. We're going to chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn our work. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make single crochets. To make single crochets, we're going to come right in the middle here and then make a single crochet, 4 chain, go back, go into the middle, the second double crochet, make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, come here, make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet, and the second double crochet, 4 chain. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. I had a hard time finding yarn. I have so much yarn and it's really hard to find the yarn to do the tutorial. Yeah. Okay, 4 chain, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a single crochet on the chain that we have did, the 6 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around. So we're going to repeat what we did on this row. So to do that, we have 6 chain, come right where the single crochet is, make a double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet, and then we go this. Oh, no chains, sorry. No chain, jump to the next one, and then we repeat this, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet. There are similar stitches like this, but I think this is really cute. Looks cute. And then I continue crocheting what I've been doing all this around, and it's a repeat of 2. Just the first row we did chain, and then the second row we did the single crochet, and the third row is the double crochet clusters that we make on top of the single crochet. And this is all to it. And I think this looks cute. Okay, so I am going to finish this row and start the next row, and I will let you go. And this is all to it. It's so easy, and I think I figured it out. If I put something in my mind, I will do it. Definitely. I am so proud of myself. And this goes so fast. Look at how it's going fast. Because it's easy. It's beginner friendly if you're new to crochet. There's nothing hard. Put it in your mind and you will do it. Okay, here again, right in the middle. I know even new beginners, even intermediate crocheters, they have difficulties finishing the row and starting the new row. So definitely, so what we do here is we come in the middle. I don't even count. Do a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then turn our work. And this is the single crochet. So when we're doing the single crochet row, it's 7 chains that we turn around. And when we're doing the double crochet row, we do 6 chains and we turn around. And there are 4 chains in between when we're doing the single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and always go to the second, which is the middle of the cluster, to make the single crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, so this is all to it. So I'm going to let you go. I will crochet and I will post shorts, videos on Instagram, TikTok, and on YouTube as well. So I hope you like this short tutorial. It's super easy and it goes fast. Yeah, definitely you can make baby blankets with this stitch, like this way that I'm showing you. And it's mindless. You don't have to count anything. Like, you do it automatically. Even just crocheting a couple of rows, you just get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't even have to count. Go into the middle and then do your single crochet. And the next row you make your clusters. It's so easy. So I hope you liked this tutorial. It was a test crochet, and I successfully did it on a flat, going back and forth. So I am happy and proud of myself. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. And we do our last single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around, and then you make your clusters on top of the single crochet. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Happy crafting, happy crocheting. Enjoy the life to the fullest. Take care. Bye-bye.